In this video, we're showing you 10 of the best places to visit in the Netherlands. Number 10, Amsterdam. Visiting Amsterdam offers a unique blend of historical charm and contemporary culture. Known for its intricate canal system and narrow gabled houses, the city's layout is a delight to explore, whether by foot, bike or boat. The picturesque waterways offer stunning views and are lined with vibrant cafes and eclectic shops. Art lovers are drawn to Amsterdam for its world-class museums. The Van Gogh Museum houses the largest collection of Van Gogh paintings, while the Rijksmuseum showcases Dutch art from the Golden Age. Additionally, the Anne Frank House provides a poignant glimpse into the hardships of World War II, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. The city is also famous for its open-minded culture, epitomised by the lively Jordan district with its trendy boutiques, cosy pubs and the historic 9 Streets shopping area. Do you like beer? Then why not visit the Heineken experience in Amsterdam, where you go on an interactive tour through the beer giant's history in a former brewery with a tasting room finale. Whether indulging in a leisurely canal cruise, cycling through bustling streets or enjoying the rich art scene, Amsterdam offers a memorable experience for every traveller. Number 9, Giethoorn. Visiting Giethoorn, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is like stepping into a fairy tale. This enchanting village in the Netherlands is famous for its many waterways and absence of roads. Instead of cars, traditional punter boats glide quietly along the canals, offering a serene way to explore the lush landscapes and picturesque thatched roof cottages that line its banks. The tranquility of Giethoorn is its main allure. Visitors can rent out a boat to navigate the peaceful canals at their own pace, or join a guided tour to learn more about the village's unique history and architecture. Walking paths and cycling trails are also available for those who prefer to explore on land. The village is surrounded by the natural beauty of the Weerribben National Park, providing opportunities for birdwatching, hiking and enjoying the rich biodiversity of the area. Giethoorn's charm is complemented by small cafes and restaurants where visitors can indulge in traditional Dutch cuisine while also enjoying the views of the waterways. A visit to Giethoorn offers a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life, inviting travellers to slow down and savour the peacefulness of nature. Number 8, the Keukenhof Gardens. Visiting Keukenhof Gardens, located in Leiden, Netherlands, is a delightful experience for anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature and the artistry of garden design. Known as the Garden of Europe, Keukenhof is one of the world's largest flower gardens, sprawling over 79 acres. It's most famous for its spectacular display of tulips, but the garden features a wide variety of other flowers, including hyacinths, daffodils, orchids, roses, irises and lilies. The best time to visit Keukenhof is during the spring, when the garden comes to life with the vibrant colours and fragrances of over 7 million blooming flowers. The garden is meticulously designed with themed sections including a Japanese garden, a natural garden and a historical garden, each offering a unique perspective on garden architecture and plant variety. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks along the winding pathways, admire reflective ponds and discover art installations scattered throughout the park. Keukenhof also hosts flower shows, inspirational gardens and events that change yearly, making each visit unique. This floral paradise not only captivates the senses, but also provides a peaceful escape into the natural world. Number 7, Delft. Visiting Delft, a quintessentially Dutch city, offers a charming blend of history, culture and picturesque scenery. Known for its ties to the Dutch royal family and its world-renowned Delft blue pottery, the city boasts a rich heritage that can be felt throughout its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. One of the highlights of a visit to Delft is exploring its old town, centred around the Markt Square. Here you can admire the impressive City Hall and the towering Nieuwe Kerk, which is New Church, where members of the Dutch royal family are entombed. Climbing the church's tower provides a panoramic view of the city's rooftop and canals. Art enthusiasts will appreciate the Vermeer Centrum Delft, which celebrates the life and work of Johannes Vermeer, the famous Dutch painter who lived and worked in Delft. For those interested in traditional crafts, a visit to one of the several operating Delftware factories is a must, where you can see artisans hand painting the iconic blue and white ceramics. The city's intimate scale and welcoming cafes along the canals make Delft a delightful destination where history and culture merge seamlessly with everyday Dutch life. Number 6. Maastricht. Maastricht, nestled in the southern tip of the Netherlands, is a vibrant city rich in history and culture. Known for its medieval architecture and dynamic cultural scene, Maastricht is an enchanting destination for any traveller. One of the city's main attractions is the Giethoorn, a large and lively square surrounded by historical buildings, charming cafes and fine restaurants. Here, visitors can explore the St. Servatius Church and the St. Jan's Cathedral, both of which offer a glimpse into the city's past through their exquisite architecture and art. Art lovers will find Maastricht a haven, particularly at the Bonnefanthem Museum, which showcases a mixture of old masters and contemporary art. The city's cobblestone streets and ancient walls further complement its artistic atmosphere, making it a perfect place for leisurely walks and discovering hidden gems. For those interested in shopping, the Stokstraat Quarter offers high-end boutiques set in beautiful old buildings. Maastricht also hosts the European Fine Art Foundation, one of the world's leading art fairs, attracting art collectors and enthusiasts from around the globe. The culinary scene in Maastricht is equally as impressive, with an array of dining options that highlight local and international flavours. A visit to Maastricht offers not just a taste of Dutch history and culture, but also an engaging modern city experience. Number 5. Leiden. Leiden, a charming university city in the Netherlands, is rich in history and culture. Known as the birthplace of the famous painter Rembrandt, Leiden boasts a scenic network of canals, historic buildings and several significant museums. A key highlight of visiting Leiden is exploring its beautiful old town. Wander through the narrow lanes lined with ancient buildings or take a leisurely canal boat tour to see the city from the water. The University of Leiden, the oldest in the Netherlands, adds a vibrant academic atmosphere to the city. For museum enthusiasts, the Naturalis Biodiversity Centre is a must-see. It houses an extensive collection of natural history specimens, including a famous Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton. The Leiden American Pilgrim Museum and the Leiden Botanical Gardens, where the first tulip in the Netherlands was planted, offer unique insights into the city's role in global history and science. Leiden's cultural scene is dynamic, featuring numerous cafes, restaurants and markets. The city also hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the Leiden International Film Festival and the Leiden Ontzet, celebrating the city's liberation from Spanish siege in 1574. Visiting Leiden offers a rich blend of educational and leisure activities in a historically significant Dutch setting. Number 4. Zanzerschans. Zanzerschans, a picturesque village just outside Amsterdam, offers a delightful glimpse into traditional Dutch life in the 17th and 18th century. Famous for its beautifully preserved windmills and distinctive green wooden houses, the village is a popular destination for those looking to experience the Netherlands' iconic cultural heritage. Visitors can explore several working windmills, each serving a different purpose, from sawing wood and grinding spices to producing oil and mustard. The sight of these majestic windmills against the backdrop of the Dutch landscape is truly memorable. Zanzerschans also features a variety of museums and workshops where visitors can learn about Dutch cheese making, wooden clog production, and the ancient art of pewter casting. Strolling through the village, you can enjoy the quaint boutiques and artisanal shops, offering unique souvenirs and local products. For those interested in Dutch history and traditional crafts, Zanzerschans provides a fascinating and educational day out in the stunningly scenic setting. The village not only celebrates the past, but also continues to keep the rich Dutch traditions alive for future generations. Number 3. Rotterdam. Rotterdam stands out as a beacon of modern architecture and design in the Netherlands. Devastated during World War II, the city transformed itself into a hub of innovative construction and avant-garde design, making it a fascinating destination for those interested in urban development and culture. Visitors to Rotterdam are greeted by the iconic Erasmus Bridge and the striking cube houses, designed by architect Piet Blom. These tilted cube-shaped homes are an architectural marvel and symbolise Rotterdam's creative spirit. For art enthusiasts, the Keukenhof Museum offers an eclectic range of exhibitions spanning art, design and photography. Rotterdam's Marktthal is another must-visit. This arched market hall features a ceiling adorned with a massive and colourful artwork, known as the Sistine Chapel of Rotterdam. Inside, visitors can sample a wide variety of local and international cuisines. The city's commitment to sustainability is also evident in its initiatives like the rooftop gardens and sustainable urban planning. Rotterdam's vibrant nightlife and cultural festivals, including the International Film Festival and the North Sea Jazz Festival, cater to a diverse audience. With its bold skyline and cosmopolitan atmosphere, Rotterdam offers a dynamic and forward-looking urban experience. Number 2, The Hague. The Hague, known as Den Haag in Dutch, is a city of international importance and the political heart of the Netherlands. Home to the Dutch government and monarchy, as well as several major international legal bodies, including the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court, The Hague offers a unique mix of political significance and cultural wealth. A visit to The Hague should include a tour of the Binnenhof, the seat of the Dutch Parliament, which provides insights into the workings of Dutch politics. Nearby, the Maritals Museum houses an impressive collection of Dutch and Flemish paintings, including Vermeer's Girl with the Pearl Earring. For a dose of modern culture, the Gemeente Museum Den Haag presents an extensive collection of modern art, fashion and music. The Hague also offers lush parks and the seaside resort of Scheveningen, ideal for those looking to relax by the beach or indulge in water sports. With its stately embassies and leafy avenues, The Hague exudes an air of elegance and international charm, making it a sophisticated destination for those interested in politics, art and Dutch history. Number 1, Utrecht. Utrecht, one of the Netherlands' oldest cities, combines a rich historical tapestry with a vibrant, youthful energy, largely due to its large student population. The city's medieval centre is dominated by the Dom Tower, a 14th century bell tower that offers expansive views of Utrecht and beyond. Climbing the tower's 465 steps is a rewarding challenge for any visitor. The canals of Utrecht are unique, with their two-level street structures offering an intimate experience at the water level, where cafes and terraces line the wharfs directly alongside the canals. This feature sets Utrecht apart from the other Dutch cities, providing a picturesque setting for dining and relaxation. Culturally, Utrecht is a hub of creativity, home to many festivals throughout the year, including the renowned Netherlands Film Festival. Art lovers will appreciate the Centraal Museum, which features an extensive collection of modern and ancient art, as well as fashion and city history. For a quieter experience, the serene Janskerskhof on a Saturday morning with its weekly flower market is a lovely place to explore and enjoy the local flora. Whether you're seeking history, culture, or simply a charming place to wander, Utrecht offers a captivating visit. And that wraps up 10 of the best places to visit in the Netherlands. Do you agree with the places we chose? Subscribe for more videos.